This is the Tally app we're in the process of developing. When it's enabled, you will see this new tab, Tally, next to Catch in a fixed gear. You're going to click on that, click Manage Tally Species the first time. Once you set one up, it will remember it for each haul. Then you have a various series of things here, of course, several different buttons. You're going to pick your fish. I'm going to pretend I'm doing hook and line. We'll do some rockfish, and we'll add them as groups. Now, when I do that, that's going to add all of them as a retained and discard group. Let's say I know that I'm also going to have some other species that are discard only that I see a lot of. Let's say we have hake. If I need to do a regular discard only button, it'll pop this up and let me pick which one. Let's say we also encounter blue sharks a lot, and I want to add a visual discard button for that. And let's say we also catch halibut. We'll put in a halibut group. You only have one option for that because it's only discard right now. And then we're going to close, and all my buttons are created here. We've got, you can move them around. Currently they are, you long press the top and you can drag them. Then we've got the various functions. You tally by regular tally. If you've got, in this case, a visual tally for a shark, it'll pop up the length matrix. We've got halibut if you're doing a 12. This is going to be a length matrix. Currently it is not. If you normally this will be a weight method 9, but the moment you use a tally, it'll automatically switch to a weight method 18. If you need to decrease a tally, let's say you accidentally click the wrong one, switch that, change it. If you need to see what you just did, you can press history. It'll show you the last thing you did. So if you have any doubts or need to check something, you can also view your totals here as well. Once you've started doing this, if you're, let's say you needed to do your basket weights, you will click on the button up here. It'll take you straight over here. Now currently the tally is not working completely. When I come back, the tally is no longer going to work appropriately because it switched to total count. But your baskets in or baskets out depends on whether you were tallying everything. In this case, I was not tallying everything. And come back in. Now this has changed the total count. I don't think that's what we're going to keep. I think this will be instead keep it as tally count. Let's see, if you were doing this instead, as you see, all of your groups have been built automatically. There's your blue shark. Count to weight 6-1. In this case, no tally because of course it was a line item by weight. So everything is here. Your halibuts are all the way down in here in BIOS, and of course recorded it correctly. Oh, found a bug. Okay. And then let's see. So if you need to take one off for any reason, it would not remove it from. It would only remove it from the tally application. It's not going to remove it from your catch categories or your weight method groups, even if you take it off of here. Let's do a visual group, visual retained. I think this may not be working right. Yeah, this should be a matrix as well. Right now the matrix is only working for visual discard. Anyway, I wanted to give you a quick little tour of that. If you've got some comments or suggestions, please let us know. Things that we're going to do, I think we're going to remove this weight method 13 label and just use different colors for 13 versus 14. This is going to, any weight method 14 will pull up a length matrix instead of tallying. Halibut is pretty streamlined there. It will be a length matrix. And then, you know, if you were to do things differently, you could come in here and do your weights after you do your tally from here as well, if you were saving them without being in and out of the tally. So if you have any thoughts on what we can do to improve this, let me know. As soon as this is available or more streamlined, then I will put it out for everybody.